An air handling unit, or AHU, is a configurable box that conditions and moves air. It includes different sections to treat the air through processes like heating, cooling, humidification, dehumidification, filtration, and even disinfecting using UV lights. AHUs handle supply air and return air, and they also bring in outside air for ventilation. In some systems, they include relief air dampers or an exhaust fan to remove excess or contaminated air from buildings. You'll find AHUs in high-rise residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. AHUs are typically part of a larger HVAC system that may include chillers, boilers, cooling towers, and a pumping system. Here's an example. A chiller plant on the roof produces chilled water that is pumped into multiple AHUs. Each AHU serves one or more zones in the building. The AHU delivers supply air, pulls return air, and introduces outside air, and may include relief or exhaust air to remove stale or contaminated air. Let's break down the typical sections in an AHU. Outside air intake, which may include an intake hood to block rain and snow, and a bird screen to prevent debris or animals from entering the unit. Dampers control the amount of outside air and exhaust air. When the AHU is off, dampers fully close to seal the unit and reduce energy loss from conditioned air escaping. Filtration. Most AHUs have multiple filter sections. The return air filter captures indoor contaminants like dust, skin cells, fibers, and other particulates. The outside air filter removes pollen, outdoor dust, and debris. Energy recovery. Some AHUs include energy recovery devices, such as enthalpy wheels or plate heat exchangers to transfer heat and sometimes moisture from exhaust air to the incoming outside air. This is especially valuable in cold climates, where outside air may be near or below freezing. Mixing box, where outside air and return air mix. Dampers adjust the proportion of each to meet ventilation and energy goals. Coils, chilled water or DX coils for cooling and dehumidification. Hot water, steam, or electric coils for heating or reheat. Reheat coils are used when dehumidified air is too cold for comfort. Reheating brings it back to the desired supply dry bulb temperature. Fans. A supply fan and often a return or exhaust fan move air through the system. Many AHUs now use fan arrays, which are multiple small fans in parallel, for redundancy, energy efficiency, and ease of maintenance. Controls. AHUs include sensors, safeties, variable frequency drives or VFDs, and a programmable logic controller or PLC to monitor and manage performance. Many of these components are also found in package units and in the indoor units of split and VRF systems, which we will discuss later. AHUs range in complexity from simple units with just an intake, damper, and fan to complex custom systems with over 10 sections. AHUs can serve constant air volume systems where supply airflow stays constant, and also variable air volume systems where supply airflow changes based on load using terminal boxes to maintain comfort and ventilation. This video is part of the HVAC Fundamentals course on AEC Learn. If you found this helpful and want to become an HVAC engineer, visit aeclearn.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the AEC Learn channel on YouTube.